Hello! To turn on or off screensaver on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, first of all you have to go into the settings. From here go into the display and scroll all the way down, and right here we have the screensaver. So let's go in here, and simply to enable the screensaver we have to select any of these four types of the screensaver. The first one is the colors. We also have the button for the preview of the screensaver, and as you can see this is how the colors screensaver looks like. We also have the photo table, photo frame and photos, and this actually shows the pictures, our pictures on our gallery. We have to go into the settings to adjust it actually and allow all the access for the for this screensaver. And here we can select the folders with the which pictures should be available displayed on our screensaver. And yeah, as you can see, and we can also simply to disable the screensaver we have to select none right here for no screensaver. And yeah, that's how to do it. Thank you for watching.